highs in the mid-70s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. This is the National Weather Service office at Greenville-Spartanburg. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WNG538's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WNG538, broadcasting near Linville, on a frequency of 162.45 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Avery, Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, McDowell, Mitchell, Rutherford, Watauga, Wilkes, and Yancey. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Tone Alert Test. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the northern.
And as you just heard, that was a weekly test through WNG538 or WNG538 or WNG538, just something, whatever you call it. Weekly test through this station. And at a clear signal, even from it being way over their coverage area. Like I'm picking up WNG538 that's far southeast at Charlotte from their transmitter site in Linville, North Carolina. And thanks to the fact that they are transmitted in a mountainous area, along with me being in a third-story townhouse in this second-story balcony, pretty much enhances my signal for WNG538 to be, not a WNG538, that's another station, WNG538, to be received in distant areas. But yeah, that's a weekly test from this station. And as they recently just went wireless, as of a week ago, which, by the way, I'd made a video discussing WNG538 switching from phone line to wireless. But basically, if you don't entirely know by what I mean by this, basically know what a radio stations like WNG538, they're transmitted from the transmitting side, so say something like WNG538, to the National Weather Service Forecast Office via a power line, whether it be a phone line or a wireless line. And that can also be identified by how NOAA radio station sounds and their sound quality. And as of a couple of days ago, on the day I'm recording this now, WNG538 had recently just went wireless after them previously being phone line with their audio quality. So in other words, they pretty much just had a slight audio change in their broadcast quality from how they're heard. And so that's what I'm out here with this radio, out here at this balcony for, to get the typical weekly test, the typical 11:30 a.m. weekly test, but with WNG538 having their audio quality change. And so this is it here, as you heard.